In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view logs in Base44. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go inside the app to quickly access your logs whenever you need them. Let's start from the main Base44 interface. Once you're logged into your account and you're on the application you want to inspect, look toward the top or main navigation area for the option labeled Dashboard. This is usually the central hub where you can see an overview of what's going on in your app. Go ahead and click on Dashboard. When you enter the dashboard, you're essentially stepping into the control center for your application. This is often where you'll find summaries, high-level metrics, and links to more detailed sections. Taking a second to orient yourself here is useful, because many other features in Base44 branch out from this view. From the dashboard, your next goal is to move into the area specifically dedicated to logs. Logs are the behind-the-scenes record of what your app is doing. They capture events, operations, errors, and other important details that help you understand how things are running. They're especially helpful when you need to troubleshoot an issue or confirm that a process worked as expected. Now, look through the navigation section within the dashboard for an option called Logs. This may appear in a side panel, a top menu, or as part of a workspace or overview menu, depending on how your Base44 interface is laid out. Once you see Logs, click it. As soon as you click on Logs, you'll be taken to the Logs view for your app. Here, you should see a list or stream of log entries, usually organized by time. Each entry typically contains details about what happened, when it happened, and sometimes additional context, like status codes or error messages. You can scroll through this list to get a sense of recent activity. If there are filters, search bars, or time range selectors available, you can use them to narrow down what you're looking at. For example, you might focus on errors only, or look at logs from a specific time window. Adjusting these options helps you quickly hone in on the most relevant information instead of scanning through everything. That's all you need to do to view logs in Base44. Start from the dashboard, find the log section, and open it to see the detailed activity for your application. Once you get used to this flow, checking logs will become a quick and natural part of managing and debugging your apps in Base44.